Hi, welcome to Top Wigs for 2020. First we have Ellen Villa Touch in Tobacco Rooted. Ellen Villa Touch is a beautiful wavy style. I love the way the waves fall right at the shoulders. It's very natural looking, very beautiful style, very popular style as well. She is also really pretty to put up in an updo, one of my favorites for this year for doing in an updo. Next up we have a Gardo wig that I purchased. I really love Gardo's human hair wigs. This was just a beautiful medium length wig. I did have her customized, which I will cover later on in this video. Really pretty though, beautiful hair. Here we have Summer Heat by Statements for the Wig Company. Summer Heat is a heat-friendly style. She was really fun to review. She's also extremely affordable, and you can add curl to her, which is a lot of fun. This is On Edge by Gabor in 829 Shadow Shade Hazelnut. She's a beautiful chin-length bob. She's very low density, which might not be good for some if you have a lot of hair to put up underneath her, but I love her cute textured ends, and I really enjoyed reviewing her. Super cute style. This is Shuffle by Ellen Villa in Dark Chocolate Rooted. Shuffle is just a very cute, easy-to-wear style. She falls just right above the shoulders on me. And, she just looks very natural. Some wigs look really super done up, and she's just very natural looking, which I like about her. This is Unfiltered by Raquel Welch. This ended up being just a super popular style this year. I've seen her on a lot of you, and she looks gorgeous on you. I love her edgy waves. I love the length on her. She is heat friendly if you want to change the style. She's just a beautiful, really popular piece. This is Lemonade by Beltress in English Toffee. Now, Lemonade kind of reminds me of Unfiltered, but you can see her wave pattern doesn't start until lower on the hair shaft. My only complaint about Lemonade was the back kind of sticks out, and that might not appeal to everybody, but she's still a really cute style. This is Miley by Ellen Villa in Nougat Mix. Now, Miley is a very petite cap, so she won't fit everyone, but she is a gorgeous style, just long enough in my opinion, beautiful length. She's really fun to put up, as you can see, in a ponytail. She's a great wig for updos, beautiful up in a twist. Really a gorgeous style. Next up is Kayla by Amore in Mocha Brown. Kayla is just a gorgeous wig. I think I described her whenever I reviewed her as mermaid hair. Now, she's very long and she's pretty thick, so she might not appeal to everybody. She is a really pretty style. She was the fibers were kind of tangly, but she's beautiful to style. As you can see, I have her in a side pony here. I have her in pigtails. Just a very fun, versatile wig. This is Anna by Uniwigs La Vivid in Sunflower Blonde. Anna is just a really cute chin-length bob. I loved the cap construction on Anna. I love the cut. However, I ordered her in brunette, and the cut was different on the brunette one, and I didn't like that inconsistency. So just something to note. This is Mellow by Estetica in Caramel Kiss. Mellow is just a gorgeous style. I have seen her on so many people ever since I reviewed her. She is a beautiful natural wave pattern. I love how the hair just falls very naturally. She doesn't look too done up, but yet she is really fun also to style. I loved twisting her, putting her up, and also putting her half up, half down, and the highlights really complement this style. So this is my customization of that Gardo wig from earlier. I had her cut into a bob and had her colored just a little bit too. She just turned out so pretty, and I wear her a lot. So I just included this. Don't be afraid to customize your human hair pieces. Sometimes they need that. This is Young Mono by Ellen Villa in Chocolate Mix. Young Mono is just an adorable chin-length bob. I wear her all the time, still have her. I'm going to do a comparison video of her with Sunset, but just a really cute cut, and I want to show you the two colors next to each other. Super cute. This is Sage by Estetica in R628F. Now this wig I ended up selling because she was way too big for me, and I mentioned that when I did the review on her, but I included her in the video because she is very cute, she's very popular, she's very natural looking, and I really love that about the style. This is Amaretto by Beltress in English Toffee. Amaretto was one of my favorites that I reviewed this year. She is just a very cute, very easy style. She's very natural looking. I like how she just has a soft wave pattern to her, and I think that the style looks great on a lot of different face shapes, a lot of different people. This is Flirt by Ellen Villa in Chocolate Rooted. Flirt was one of my favorites that I reviewed this year. She's a super cute style. Now, she is very low density, which might not appeal to everybody, but really, really pretty, very natural looking style. As you can see, she was really easy with glasses. She was also really fun to wear half up, half down, and I wore her a lot like that this year. This is Sunset by Ellen Villa in Chocolate Rooted. Sunset, again, is a very, very cute style, and I want to do a comparison video showing her with Young Mono, as I said. But just a really, really cute, easy style. I wear her all the time. She is definitely one of my favorites, easy to throw and go, so really cute style. This is Marion by John Renault in Hot Cocoa. This is definitely one of my favorites that I reviewed this year. She is just super cute, very easy to wear, very natural looking. She's a bit tangly because she has a little more length, but it's not too bad, and I wear her a lot. She is very low density, though, which might not appeal to everyone. This is Finn by Aesthetica and Toffee Latte. I really enjoyed getting to show you all one of these new colors that Aesthetica came out with this year, and Finn is a cute, cute wig. I kept describing her in the video as boho, and she reminded me of Stevie Nicks, and so she was really, really fun to style, and I really enjoyed just having fun with that wave pattern that she has. Super cute. Thank you all so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye!